Boys and girls. So today we are going to learn science, and the topic is what can we see in the sky? This is a very easy topic, and it's something which you know already. So I'm gonna quickly start. When can you see the moon? Now, have you noticed sometimes in the morning also you see moon? So definitely we see moon at the night, but sometimes in the morning also we see moon. So in the daytime we do see moon. So we can see moon at the night and at the daytime also. In this lesson we are going to learn five new vocabulary words, and those are sun, star, moon, magnify, telescope. So I'm gonna teach you all the meanings of these words, but let's just start with the lesson. Good morning, sunshine. Look up. You can see many things in the daytime sky. You can see the sun. The sun is the star closest to the earth. A star is an object in the sky. It gives off its own light. The sun gives light and heat to earth. You may also see clouds in the daytime sky. Sometimes you can see the moon too. Now we are going to learn about daytime sky. You see sun, you see sun in the morning, you don't see sun in the night because in the night it has to be dark. So sun comes in the morning. When sun comes in the morning, it gives off its own light. Sun has its own light and heat to earth. So we have light and heat due to sun. And sun is the closest star to the earth. And star is an object in the sky. Sun is closest to the earth, and that's why we have good amount of heat and light. And sometimes we learned in the previous page also that sometimes in a day we see moon as well. So we see sun, clouds, and moon in the sky during day. Good night sky. You can see many things in the nighttime sky. You may see the moon. The moon is a large sphere or ball of rock. It does not give off its own light. You may also see clouds at night. You may see stars in the nighttime sky. There are too many stars to count. They are not evenly spaced in the sky. So during night we see the moon, and the moon is a large sphere or a ball of rock. It's a large sphere or a ball of rock. It does not give off its own light. That's why it is dark. It doesn't have light. That's why in the night it is dark. Not like the sun. Sun has its own light, so that's why it's in the morning it has bright shiny light in the sky. But moon does not have its own light. And sometimes you see the moons in different phases. Sometimes it is full, sometimes it is quarter. We're going to learn about it in the next lesson. So we see during the night moon, stars. These are stars. Can you see stars? These are tiny tiny stars all over. And stars are not evenly spaced. That means not evenly spaced means they do not form a circle, or they do not form a triangle, square. They are just spread in the sky just like that. Can you see them? They're just anywhere in any form. So they are not evenly spaced in the sky. And sometimes you can also see clouds when it is rainy days, when it is winter nights. Sometimes you see clouds in the sky too. Many objects in the sky are spheres. A sphere is a round ball. The moon is a sphere. So is the sun color the spheres below. So we have to color the sphere over here. Um, let's color. So this is sphere and this is sphere. So you can color it nicely. Eye on the sky. Stars and other objects in the sky look small. We can magnify them to see them better. Magnify means to make something look bigger. A telescope is a tool that helps us magnify things in the sky. So, since everything looks very small on Earth, but they are very huge and real, and sometimes you cannot see them nicely, you cannot see them better, and they look really small. So we use telescope. Telescope helps to magnify the things in the sky. Magnify means to make something look bigger. In previous lessons of science, we have used magnifying glass. Telescope is just like that, but it is a bigger version of magnifying glass. It's really huge. So you put your eyes here, and from here you can see the moon, you can see the stars in a nice way. With your eyes you can see the moon like this, but if you use telescope, the moon will look like this. You can see the black dots nicely, you can see the texture, how does the moon look. So telescope helps in magnifying things to look bigger. Which picture shows the moon through a telescope? In telescope things look bigger, so this moon does not look big, this moon looks big. So we will cross out this one. Okay, now let's solve the riddle. I am a tool, I make things look bigger. You can see me to observe things in the sky. What am I? Which tool helps in making things look bigger? It's telescope. So we will write telescope. Circle true or false. Stars are evenly spaced in the sky. Evenly means they make us make shape, or they are nicely in a line or in a cross line. No, it is unevenly spaced. So we will circle false because it's not true. Stars give off their own light. Yes, stars do have their own light. So we will circle. Draw what you can see in the sky at both times. In day you can draw, sorry for this, sun. In night you can draw moon and stars. Unscramble the letters to complete each sentence. So these are the words, and these are the words which are scrambled, and we need to unscramble it. So let's start. Let me read the words in the box. Sun, sun, star, star, telescope, telescope, magnify, magnify, moon, moon. Now let's start reading the sentence. The dash is a large ball of rock. As I told you, the large ball of rock is moon. A dash gives off its own light. Star and sun has their own light. So over here they have written TASR. So that means they're talking about star. A dash is a tool for making things look bigger. A telescope is a tool for making things look bigger. It magnifies things. The dash is the star we see in the day. Sun. Sun is the star we see in the day. To dash is to make things look bigger. To magnify. Magnify means to make things look bigger. Fill in the diagram to compare. Use the words below. Sun, stars, clouds, moon. These are the words you have to put below. Now, I would like to ask you, which are the two things you see in the morning as well and in the night as well? It's clouds and you see moon in the morning as well and in the night as well. Now, nighttime sky. What do you see in the nighttime? You see stars. But do you see stars in the daytime? No. So you see stars only in the nighttime. And only in the morning you see sun over here. So in daytime, sun in the daytime, clouds and moon are both in the daytime and nighttime. And nighttime you only see stars. Draw a nighttime sky full of stars. So let's draw a nighttime sky full of stars. We have moon over here, so let's make stars everywhere. They are unevenly spaced. Their sizes are different. Some are big, some are small. This is unevenly spaced. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for watching. I hope this was helpful. Bye.